You know what we're showing today? We're going to go see Simona.
My favorite person. You're going to the most incredible development.
Right, tell them why it's so incredible. They're about to see it.
Size.
Okay, I agree.
Qualities. Location.
So, we're going to head into the Costa Explorer and we're going to be driving to Santa Clara. Santa Clara is about 7 minutes, I would say, from our office. We're going to see Simona, see the ground floor, see the penthouse, show you guys what it's all about, and then we're going to come back and get some work done. Let's go. Hey guys, we're off to Santa Clara Homes! We are here. It's currently 10:53. Let me tell you guys where we are. So we are located just 5-minute drive to Marbella Centre, very close to the beach. Just around the corner is the hospital Costa del Sol, and the developer has finished this block and is finishing that way. So we're going to see a ground floor apartment that's absolutely incredible, finished, furnished, and that's their show home. What people would need to know, I mean, it's a bit noisy obviously because it's a construction site still. What people need to know is this is a secured location. It has 24-hour security and it's Frontline Golf. It doesn't seem like it, but we are in the middle of a construction site. This is what the grand entrance looks like. It will be an entrance for 4 apartments. You have 2 ground floors and 2 first floors. Let's go meet Simona.
Hi,
Simona, how are you?
I'm
Good to
fine.
see you. Oh my God, look at this.
Welcome.
This is unbelievable. Look at this lounge. It's breathtaking, no?
It is. It's very nice.
Simona, we're in this this is a ground floor apartment?
Yes.
Can you tell for our audience, how many apartments are in the complex in total?
So we have 104 apartments.
104.
104, exactly. And we have 3 and 4 bedroom units. So in total we have 26 blocks, and in each block there are only 4 apartments. So we have 2 ground floors and 2 penthouses.
Super boutique. And look at these outdoor spaces. Can we have a look?
Yes, of course, come.
This is what it's all about. I mean, now it's a bit noisier because it's still a construction site. This is unbelievable. So 104 apartments.
Yes.
And every block would have 4 apartments. So you have 1 ground floor, another ground floor, and 2 penthouse duplexes.
Exactly. The way how it's constructed is like a pyramid. So like all the apartments have a lot of privacy as well. As you can see here where we are standing, so our neighbors upstairs, they can't see us.
No, they can't. It's
So
true.
which is
And
fantastic.
we can't see
We
them.
can't see them
Yeah,
either.
yeah. It's
So
good to
that's
have-
another
yeah.
plus that we have here in Santa Clara. And then you have the garden all the way around.
So
Which is fantastic.
how big is this terrace? I mean, this is massive.
This is 68 square meters.
68 square meter plus the garden.
Plus the garden. In this particular unit, that will be 170 square meters. The garden can be a little bit bigger, smaller. We have all the way up to 350 square meter gardens.
I will say honestly that I do not feel like it's an apartment. Yes, we know that, but it feels like a townhouse. It feels like a villa. It feels like a house. It's an incredible space. Let's see the inside.
Yeah,
I'll follow
okay,
you.
come.
Okay. So very nice like details on the ceilings. Like normally here you find like just plain white, and it's nice to have that wood, no?
Exactly. So this is standard. All apartments come with this.
Like this?
With LED lights. So especially in the evening, imagine sitting here, sipping a glass of wine
Yeah, I
with
can
the
picture it.
candlelight. So yeah.
We're in a construction site. It's a bit noisy now.
Yes. Let's go in because we have a really good windows here. So Cortizo.
Cortizo are my favorite brand of windows. I have
You
Cortizo.
hear? All the noise is
Fantastic.
gone. Really good.
Amazing. So tell me about the properties. All of them are open plan like this?
Yes, they are
So
open.
if you buy a ground floor or you buy a penthouse, this is the lounge sort of layout, no?
Exactly. So this one is a 3-bedroom apartment, but we also have 4-bedroom apartments. So the difference will be, like the kitchen will stay the same, living room will stay the same, but we will see the shelves, so there will be sliding doors and there will be additional 4th bedroom at the back.
Amazing. So this apartment has 2 levels. You have 1 ground floor and
Yeah.
it goes down, right? So you have, let's say, a basement, and the duplex penthouse will have 1 on top. Is that
Exactly,
the
it
way?
has a solar.
This kitchen's great. I mean, you know, perfect size for full-time living. It's fully equipped. What you see is what you get.
Exactly, this is what you get. So the kitchen is, as you mentioned, fully furnished with all appliances. They are Siemens brand.
So by the way, we just left the office and I
Yes.
told Kim we'll come here, and she loves you and she loves the development.
My favorite person.
Oh, she's so nice, really nice. So send her my regards.
She doesn't stop talking about Santa Clara Homes. It's great.
Oh yeah, great. Thank you so much.
All right, let's see the bedrooms. I'll follow
Yes, come.
you. Great. You've got loads of
Plenty of
wardrobe space.
wardrobes, completely fitted. Here at the back, we also have electric shutters. And then the bathrooms come completely furnished and equipped.
So every apartment has a guest bathroom.
Exactly.
So all en suite
Yes.
plus the guest bathroom.
Plus the guest bathroom.
Great.
Yeah. So with 3 bedrooms, we have 3 bathrooms plus the guest toilet. And with 4 bedrooms, we have 4 bathrooms plus the guest toilet.
So
as well.
full. Great.
Let me take you to the second room. Here, this is the second bedroom, but it could be also a master bedroom. As you can see, it's really, really spacious.
By the way, I don't know who did the interior design, but I love the interior design as well. Nice and white, nice and clean and colorful, warm, beautiful. Plenty of wardrobe space, which is great.
Again, yeah, fantastic, fully fitted.
Let's see the master.
Yes.
Keeping the best for last.
Again, we have here plenty of wardrobe space, then we have master.
Walk-in wardrobe with an ensuite, and this is
and just to point out, like one thing that we really have here in Santa Clara, really high ceilings.
What is the ceiling height, you know?
Yeah, it's 2 meters 90. So
290?
it's fantastic, yeah. And then also like LED lights here and in the living room area. So these are like, this is already standard.
So you know, in Spain we're quite small, but for you Scandinavian clients, you know, like my brother-in-law is Dutch, he's very, very tall, perfect for Northern European.
Again, here from the master bedroom, we have the access to the terrace again, with the sliding doors. So
Great. These are quite funky, these
yeah,
things.
you can move these ones around.
Nice.
So if clients would like to have some more shades or some more privacy, so they could easily move these shutters around.
So the master has access to the terrace, which is quite nice. And then we have a full -1 level, no? Down below.
Yeah, so I'm going to take you now. Just to mention one more thing, here in the master bedroom we have the blackout curtain as well, so that's included in the...
That's automatic?
Yes.
That's included?
That's included, that's standard as well.
Wow. Let's have a look at this bathroom.
Yeah, let's go.
Cleon bath. Porcelanosa.
Plus the Bluetooth here in the master bathroom and the kitchen as well.
All the apartments have this, right?
Yes.
All the ground floors have this.
All of them.
I think it's great, you know, like...
And this is 3 bedrooms, so imagine if it would be a 4 bedroom,
Okay,
it would be even bigger
I
than
would
that.
say, Simona, even though
Yes?
this is a 3-bed, it's very easy to make a 4th bedroom or 2
definitely.
bedrooms here.
Very easy. So if the clients would like to make a bathroom, additional bathroom here, that's a possibility as well.
Here, okay.
Exactly. We are just now below the guest toilet.
Ah, yeah.
And we have already like pre-installation, the tubes and everything is here.
Okay, great.
So let's say client needs, would like to make a gym or, you know, or maybe additional bedroom.
I think
it's a possibility.
It's nice because if you're a family with kids, for example, perfect playroom, gym, cinema, whatever you want, right? And I mean, if you wanted, you could have 2 bedrooms down here.
Exactly. Also, that's
What's
a
this?
possibility.
This is access to...
Yes, this is the access to go out. This door is just below the main door, and you have 2 entrances, so you can use either. You can use this one, the other one.
If you come with your shopping, with your car, this would be the easiest.
Exactly, that would be the easiest. And then 2 parking spaces per apartment as well.
I really think if you look at this space, if you're a young family, you want, you know, I've got 2 small kids, and I would love them to have a sort of playroom, you know, where they watch TV, play with their friends. This is perfect.
It's exactly, and also,
Right?
you know, imagine like you mentioned you have 2 kids. Imagine the friends that come over. So this is a perfect place. A playroom, or maybe when they grow up, they can have like a game room, or you have so many possibilities that you can do here.
And it's also quite comfortable, no? Like, you know, if you're going to be, a lot of our clients buy a property and spend 4 or 5 months a year, and I think this is a very easy property to lock up and
Definitely,
go,
yeah.
right?
Because the whole complex is gated with cameras. And yeah, that's it. You lock up, you go, and then you come back, and everything is in a perfect state.
Simona, we've seen this beautiful apartment.
Yeah.
We've seen the ground floor. We've seen the -1. We've seen everything that we need to see. What amenities would you have if you live in Santa Clara Homes? What can you use?
Okay, so like every single apartment has its own private swimming pool, but apart from that, we have 2 outdoor swimming pools, and then we have a social club, and inside this social club we have the indoor swimming pool, gym, and spa facilities. Normally it's jacuzzi, sauna, and showers.
So you don't actually need to leave the complex. You've got everything you need here.
Yes, exactly.
The most important question of them all, right? We've seen everything the apartment includes. We now know what the complex looks like and the amenities.
Yes.
What's the starting prices at the moment for Santa Clara Homes?
Okay, the starting price for a 3-bedroom apartment is 1,130,000.
Which is like this.
Exactly, like this, just different location. And then the starting price for a 4-bedroom apartment is 1,340,000.
That's incredible. I mean, for this space, in this location, this quality, I think that's incredible value. And I would say to you guys, if you're interested in seeing or knowing more about this development, come and have a look.